Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the devices and network so AirPlay can negotiate connections. Check that your LG model explicitly supports AirPlay 2 and update the TV firmware. That prevents compatibility gaps. Once done, make sure the TV and your iPhone or Mac are on the exact same Wi-Fi network, not a guest or isolated band. Restart the router, the TV, and your source device to clear cached network states. This reduces interference and speeds up discovery. Next, enable and pair AirPlay on both ends so streaming can start. On the LG TV, go to Settings, then General, then Apple AirPlay Settings and turn AirPlay on. This exposes the receiver service. On your iPhone or Mac, open Control Center or choose Screen Mirroring and select the named LG TV. When the TV displays a pairing code, enter it on your device to complete a secure pairing. Once paired, test with a short video to confirm audio and video sync. Finish by optimizing performance and knowing a quick fix if things go wrong. For smoother playback, prefer wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band because lower latency prevents stutter. Disable VPNs and quit bandwidth-hungry apps on the source device. Once done, test again and adjust TV picture mode if latency is visible. If AirPlay still fails, reboot the TV and source, toggle AirPlay off and on, and check HDMI CEC or other network devices that might block discovery. This single reboot often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.